Hey guys, summer with the kids is over. So that means I get to put the trailer back together in a sense where I get to take it out for fishing and camping versus, bringing all of the camping gear. So basically we're just gonna take the 2x6s out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna bring you along with me. We're gonna take apart this trailer. So the car is broken. It is sitting in the front yard. Got a misfire on cylinder 1. It's going to be going into the shop next Friday. It will be repaired by the professionals because I might be able to do spark plugs on a truck, not my car. I'm not mechanically inclined to do something like that. So I'm going to pay the big boys the big bucks to do it. Not a dealership. I'm going to take it to a local place because I'm not paying a dealership to fix the valve cover on my car for the 4th time. I've got receipts for the first 3 times. And hopefully this 4th time, not done by a dealership, actually fixes the problem. So I'm just going to get this yard cleaned up, this trailer taken apart. Once I was done doing my little drive to deliver my kids to their other house, I stopped at Rearguard Falls just outside of Valemont, and it was just a spectacular, awesome little falls. Watched the whitewater rafters hop out of their rafts and pull them into shore, and then they launched them on the other side of the falls, which was kind of interesting to see. After I was done at the falls, I went down to Clearwater and found another falls. This one's called Triple Decker Falls. Very, very steep. I do not recommend doing this in sandals or loose shoes. Take hiking boots and a good walking stick or a hiking stick where you can get some grip, because in the dry season it is so slippery and steep. here on a stroll. Thought I'd get out of the house instead of just sitting around being all depressed. I'm out here and I find this. This is my beautiful country. British Columbia, just out here on top of the world. Absolutely having a blast. Sorry I got the hiccups. Literally hit a dead end looking for a lake. I can't remember what it's called here. Wollaston Lake. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for Wollaston Lake. Wollaston Lake, that's what I'm looking for. It's out here somewhere. Google's taking me for a ripperoni around the block here. And hopefully we'll find it. At least I won't have to worry about traffic behind me because it's literally a dead end. That's good. I'm having a blast. Catching this out. Here's Grizzly Lake. This is such a little beautiful spot where you can take your ATVs and motorized vehicles and play in the mud with your 4x4s. You could probably get a little loud, but that's okay. Spiike Lake's another recreational site. It's just amazing little spot. Very quiet place to camp. Haddo Lake, amazing little campsite. Very hard to get to if you don't have a vehicle with high clearance. Stopped. I thought I'd decide I'd have a little dinner. Haddo Lake. Haddo. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's something like that. Been to 4 lakes today. This is the last lake, and then I'll be heading home after dinner. Thought I'd kind of travel these roads, check them out before I decide to bring my car up here. This lake, no go. Definitely not this campsite. The potholes are bigger than my car. So luckily did a little scouting in the truck before I come up here. Definitely Grizzly Lake and what's that other one? Spiro or something like that. I'll have to correct myself because that's not a correct way to say that lake. It's like a Skaha or let me go look at it. Okay, Spiike Lake. That's what it's called. Spiike Lake. So that's the other lake that I can go to. There's 2 lakes up here. Probably do a little exploring on some of the back roads, but a lake like this, Haddo, it's definitely a no-go in the car. Catch you in a sec. Been scouting around my mom's truck looking for locations where we can bring the car and live nomadically so that I can bring content to you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Hopefully next time we'll have some cooler and better video footage that is actually something that you guys want to watch, like catching fish and mountain biking and finding cool falls to go down. And remember, you guys can do this too. Like, go out, hop in your car. All that is so cool. And search for this stuff.